Good morning student. Welcome to the biology class. This video is the continuation videos of our cell cycle and cell division topic. In previous video already we have seen what is meant by cell division. There are two types of the cell division, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis we have done in our previous video. In this video we are going to study about that the meiosis. Let us start the video. First upon, let us revise what is meant by mitosis. Mitosis means in the cell division, it's leading to the production of somatic types of the cell. Means these mitosis, by the process of mitosis, the body cells are divided into the two daughter cell. In previous video, we have seen there are 4 phases of mitosis: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. In the phase, the nucleus is divided. In the cytokinesis, the cytoplasm is divided. In the mitosis, we have seen the diploid cells. Diploid cells are produced. The same number of chromosomes are maintained in each cell division, and this cells division is happen in the body cell, in the somatic cell, and only single nuclear division after the chromosome duplication. Means beta, in the mitosis we have seen by the process of mitosis the body cells are divided, maintain the chromosome number. Means if the parent cell have present the 23 pair of chromosomes, the daughter cell is also 23 pair of chromosomes. Only one single nuclear divisions is occur, and these cell divisions is leading the growth, repair, replacement and development of our body, and these cell divisions is continuously in whole our lifespan. Understood what is the mitosis? In this video we are going to study about that the meiosis. Meiosis, the cell division is leads to the production of sex cell. Got it? Meiosis means the cell division which is occur in only the reproductive cell. It is the gametes. You know that in the human, the male reproductive organ is the testes, and in the female reproductive organ is the ovary. The testes are reproduce the sperm cell. The testes reproduce the sperm cell, and in the female, ovary reproduce the ova. Okay, in human being. And in the plant, the anther is the male reproductive organ. It produces the pollen grain. Pollen grain is the male gametes, and the ovary is produce the ovules. It is the female reproductive organ. These gametes are reproduced. These gametes are produced by the process of meiosis. Means meiosis में जो sex cells होते हैं in plant, in animals are divided by the process of meiosis. Meiosis is also have a 4 step: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. There are a 2 nuclear division. In the mitosis only single nuclear division, but in the meiosis 2 nuclear division. So they have a 2 stage: meiosis first and meiosis second. In the meiosis first is also prophase first, prophase second, metaphase first, metaphase second, but we have no need to study about that the each phase. In the higher classes we will study about that the phases of meiosis. In our syllabus we have to study about only the process of meiosis. We have no need the detailed study about of each and every phases of meiosis. Understood? You keep it in your mind, student. Only in the meiosis there are 2 nuclear division. I will explain with the help of diagram how does the 2 nuclear division in the meiosis. First of all, you keep it in your mind, student. The meiosis process is occur in only active stage of human. Means only the sexual active stage. That times the meiosis process is happen. Understood? What is the difference between in the cell divisions The mitosis cell division occur in the somatic cell, body cell. In the meiosis, cell division is occur in the sex cell. Same number of chromosomes in maintained in each cell division, means the parent cell is 23 pair, daughter cell is also 23 pair. But in what happen in the meiosis, student, there are 23 pair of chromosomes are present in the parent cell, but only 23 chromosomes, not a pair, only single 23 chromosomes are present in the daughter cell. In the mitosis, only 2 daughter cells are formed, but in the meiosis there are 4 daughter cells are formed. 4 daughters, double nuclear divisions are happen in the meiosis. It contains the diploid nucleus. Diploid cells are produced in haploid cells. Haploid means half number of chromosomes are present in the cell. It is called as the haploid, half number of chromosomes. Single nuclear division and 2 nuclear division. Understood, student? You keep it in your mind, student. Meiosis, it is the leading to the production of cell. This stage, this process is active only during the reproductive age. Understood? And in the mitosis, the process, the cell division is happen in whole your lifespan. Understood? Let us see what is the meiosis in details. See, student, meiosis is the cell division. Meiosis is the cell division produce the sex cells. Means what happens, student? The parent cell, it contain the pair of 23 pair of chromosome. There I told you in the take place only reproductive age. Means the person in the living organisms are able to reproductive age. Means these processes happen in let us consider our human being. These processes happen only reproductive age. Got it? The number of chromosomes is half, means haploid cells are produced in the meiosis. Is the parent cell is divided into the 2 daughter cell. Okay, means there is the 23 pair of chromosomes. I told you in the meiosis there are 2 phases, meiosis first and meiosis second. In the meiosis first is the parent cell. This is the parent cell. It also contains the interphase. You know that what is the interphase? During the interphase, the cell is prepare the double genetic material to divide itself. Means cell is prepared to cell division. Interphase is also occur in the meiosis. During the interphase, the chromosomes are double, DNA are double materials, and the cell is ready for the cell division. In the meiosis first, the parent cell is divided into the 2 daughter cell. It is the first meiosis first. It's also 4 phases: metaphase first, prophase first, metaphase first, anaphase first, telophase first. 4 phases. What is happening? You know that in mitosis we have seen. Then that one parent cell is divided into the 2 daughter cell. Again the second nuclear division. Again the second meiosis second phase. The 2 daughter cell again redivide into the 4 daughter cell, and these 4 daughter cell is a haploid, means it contains the half number of chromosomes. You know, student, why the half number of chromosomes are present in the sex cell? You know that in the process of fertilization, we have seen our previous classes. During the fertilization, the male cell and female cells are fused to each other. Means one chromosome from the male and one chromosomes are in female. This fertilization process, one pair of the male and one pair of the female chromosomes are fused to each other and form the diploid number of chromosomes, 2n. Understood? That's why in the meiosis the half number of chromosomes are produced, because in the fertilization, the fusion of male and female gametes, they maintain the diploid cell. They maintain the 23 pair of chromosome. Understood, student? And what happened in the prophase first, it is very important. Means what happened, what is the significance of meiosis? The chromosome number is half. I now explain why the half number of chromosomes are present in the sex cell. Because when the fertilization, the chromosome number is half in each gamete, but during the fertilization, the one chromosomes from male and one chromosomes are females, they are fused to each other and form the pair of chromosomes, and they are mixing the chromosomes male and female. So we are not like only one single parents. We have some characters from our mom also, from our dad also, and some variations, so we are not look like identical to our parents. Some difference, some variations are occur in our body. Understood? Miss, let us give the example. In your family there are two brother and sisters. We born from a same parents. So then we are different brother and sister. Why, beta student? Because of the crossing over. Some DNA materials, because of the crossing over, the two non-sister chromatids are exchanged the DNA material during the cell division. So there are some new types of the chromosomes are occur in the daughter cell, and so there are some variations is occur in the offspring. Understood, student? Let us again revise what is the crossing over. See, student, this is the two homologous chromosome. Homologous chromosome means what? The homologous pair means what? The same number of same shape size chromosome. It is called as the homologous chromosome. When during the prophase first, the exchange, see, there is the crossing over. There is the crossing over. In the process of cell division, exchange the DNA material to non-sister chromatid. Means this is the one pair of sister chromatid. This is the one pair of, see, this is the one pair of sister chromatid, and this is the one another pair of sister chromatid. Two different sister chromatid. It is called as the non-sister chromatid. During the cell division, these two chromosomes are crossed to each other, and in the crossing, they are exchange the DNA from two non-sister chromatid. This is called as the crossing over. And this crossing over, the genetic recombination means another the traits and alleles are transferred from one chromosome to the another chromosome. Understood? You keep it in your mind, student. What is meant by crossing over? Crossing over means what? The parent means maternal from mother and paternal from parents chromosomes are separating the chromatid material. It get exchanged between the two members of the homologous pair. This is called as the crossing over. Understood, student? What is the meiosis? Meiosis is the leading the production of the sex cell. There are two steps of the meiosis. First nuclear division is called as the meiosis first, and second nuclear division is called as the meiosis second. In the meiosis, there are haploid cells are produced. Haploid means half number of chromosomes are produced. Why? Because the fertilization, the mixing of the fusion of the male and female sex cell, and maintain the diploid number of chromosomes. Understood, student? See, this is the diagrammatically. Means in the meiosis, the parent cell is divided into the two daughter cell. Means it is the two nuclear division. Again, these daughter cells are divided into the haploid number of chromosome, n number of chromosome. In the mitosis, the parent cell is divided into the two identical daughter cells are formed. Understood, student? What is the mitosis and meiosis? Let us revise again. What is the difference between mitosis and meiosis? See, student, in the mitosis, the process is occur in the body cell, means somatic cell. In the meiosis, the process is occur in only reproductive cell. Like in human being, testes and ovaries form the sperm and ovules. In human being, and in plant, pollen grain and ovules. Okay. Mitosis provide the growth and replacement of the body. and the meiosis are provide the gamete formation. Okay, this process is continuously throughout your lifespan. Means the mitosis is the process is continuously in the whole lifespan. Your skin cell always replace. Okay, but in the meiosis, this process is occurring only reproductive age of the human being or all animals. Okay, there are two daughter cells are formed. There are four daughter cells are formed. There is the diploid chromosomes. Diploid number of chromosomes are formed in mitosis. In the meiosis, haploid number of chromosomes. In the mitosis, the singular cell division, only single nuclear division. But in the meiosis, there are two nuclear division, and four number of haploid cells are produced in the meiosis, and two diploid daughter cells are produced in the mitosis. Understood, student? What is the mitosis? What is the meiosis? What is the chromosome, cell cycle, cell divisions? What is the structure of DNA, chromosomes? All we have seen in these videos. The lesson is over, student. Thank you.